In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Copilot to streamline your data management tasks. Buckle up as we go through this process together, ensuring you leverage technology to make your life a bit easier. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to open Excel or any relevant applications that have Copilot enabled. If you're not familiar with Copilot, it's an incredibly useful tool that enhances your productivity by automating repetitive tasks and helping you manage large volumes of data efficiently. Ensure that your software is updated to the version that supports Copilot, as this will allow for a seamless experience throughout this process. Once you have your application up and running, it's time to upload or link to your data sources. Whether you're dealing with spreadsheets, databases, or any other form of digital data storage, linking the correct sources is a critical step. You can do this by navigating to the Data tab in your application and selecting the option to upload or link data. Make sure you have access permissions and that your data sources are correctly formatted for integration. This ensures that Copilot can interact with the data without any issues. After your data is linked or uploaded, you can now use Copilot to automatically populate spreadsheets or databases. This is where the magic happens. With Copilot, you can simply instruct the software to input data into your desired fields without manually typing in every piece of information. This not only saves time, but also reduces the potential for human error, thereby increasing the overall efficiency of your data management tasks. Next comes a crucial step: validating data accuracy and correcting any errors. Although Copilot is designed to minimize mistakes, it's still important to double-check your work. Go through the populated spreadsheets or databases to ensure that all information is correctly entered and aligns with your expectations. If you encounter any inaccuracies, correct them immediately to maintain data integrity. As you review the data, look out for common errors like formatting issues or duplicate entries, which might arise during the automation process. As you wrap up, you'll likely realize how these steps simplify data management, drastically reducing your workload. If you haven't enabled Copilot yet, consider how implementing this tool could bring about significant improvements in efficiency and data accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on leveraging technology in your daily tasks. Feel free to leave questions or share your experiences with Copilot in the comments below. See you in the next video.